This is the fourth video of this candlestick series playlist. How to identify bullish reversal candlestick formations on charts is what we discussed in the third video. In this video, we will find those patterns on the chart and we will also see how to take trading decisions when they are formed. Hi viewers, Namaste. Welcome to the world of Get Trading. See, any pattern, any entry can be taken with confluence with any of these like moving averages, Fibonacci, pivot points, etc. But we will take one scenario here, that is Fibonacci retracements. Okay, in a proper uptrend, the swings will be somewhat like this, right? These swings are called trending moves and these swings are called corrective moves, the trending moves and corrective moves. In a corrective move, at some point, the retracement ends and price will start going in the main trend, right? This point is called bullish reversal point. If we see a bullish reversal candle formations or patterns at these points, with more confirmations, we can take long entries. Now, next step. Think once. Can we anticipate these points before they are formed? Can we do or not? We have many methods, but in this video, we will see one thing, the Fibonacci retracement tool. This is a tool which is used to predict retracements ends of swings, isn't it? Let us shortly discuss about this tool. If this tool is drawn from swing low to swing high, retracement can happen near 23.6% or 38.2% or 50% or at least near 61.8%. If it goes below from 61.8% to, more chances are there for a complete trend reversal. So, let us use this tool and also let us see trading decisions when bullish reversal single candlestick patterns occur at these points. Okay, for a beginner who is practicing this, it is good to practice at least on a 30 minutes time frame. It is useful for both the short-term trading and the intraday trading too. Later, upon confidence, you can shift to 15 minutes and then 5 minutes and so on. See here, in this example, you can place a trade with intraday. If your desired movement is obtained, you can book profits or else you can convert it to CNC order and can wait for next day movement too. Okay, this is an uptrend and this is the corrective move. Let us draw the Fibonacci retracement tool from swing low to swing high. Since we have drawn this, we will wait for the price to come at these points. See here, near 61.8%, there formed a hammer. What is a hammer? It is a bullish reversal candle, right? So, we got a confirmation here that maybe this short-term trend reverses and price starts moving in the main trend, that is upside. Now, we need to take additional confirmations too. That confirmation is, after this hammer, the next candle should cross the hammer candle's high and even close above this high. But for intraday practices, generally we take positions as soon as the high of the hammer is crossed. Backtesting shows that it is profitable. Hope you understood. So, in this example, we get some entry here. Stop loss should be few pips below the reversal candle. Stop loss is compulsory, must and should. As far as the target is concerned, it depends from person to person. Some may take profit as soon as they get 1:2 RR or so. Supports and resistances, moving averages, anything can be taken and will depend on your approach. For this video, I will take the recent swings high and will trail the stop loss after that. Next example. Here, near 61.8% there formed a doji. This is a continuation as well as a reversal pattern for both bullish and bearish too. Regarding doji, we will learn in the future videos. But if we take this as a bullish reversal, the problem here is next candle gapped up very hugely and the candle is also closed very far away. So, if we trade this, we need to place a very huge stop loss, isn't it? So, it is better to ignore these kind of trades. Now, Regarding Fibonacci tools, using this tool is very easy if you practice well. See here, you can draw for the long swings or the short swings too. See, if this full swing is considered, this price reacted from 38.2%, isn't it? We can also draw this tool considering very small swings too. See, here at 50% retracement, a hammer is formed. It is a green hammer. If you look closely, there are many other patterns too which you will learn in the next videos. Okay, please listen carefully. Let us see how to think in a live market. Since this is a backtesting, you could easily tell that this is a formation formed at 50% retracement and then the trend reversed. But that is not case in the live market, right? What to do in the live market, we will see. First, you identify a swing, draw these levels and wait for the retracement levels. You get alert on 23.6% retracement level. Maybe a bullish reversal candle is formed here, but did you get the confirmation? Did the next candle or its next candle cross its high? No, right? So, without a reversal, it crossed this 23.6%. Now, wait for 38.2%. At this level, a bearish Marubozu is formed, so no reversal signal here also. Now, we will wait at 50%. Here, a hammer is formed and next candle crossed the reversal candle's high. So, we can anticipate that maybe the trend is about to change and can trade long. So, buy whenever it crossed the high, stop loss few points below the candle. First target is the recent swing high and then trailing accordingly. Next, see here, let us draw the tool here. One thing, did anyone use this magnet mode in Fyers web at any time? We can easily draw these Fibonacci levels and trend levels using this magnet mode. Advantage of this tool is we can easily place our starting and ending lines at correct points. Fyers has world-class trading platforms and best of products and tie-ups. If you want to open your account in Fyers, please click on the link given in the description box below and submit your details in the page opened. Our Fyers representative will call you and will open your account. Okay, here, at one important level, here formed the reversal candle. Entry here and stop loss here. And here is the target. One more. A bullish Marubozu candle is formed here. We can take entry here itself and we can keep a stop loss here. Where should be the target kept? It should be kept here, right? Now, I suggest to ignore trades that require huge stop loss. So, it is better to ignore these and take heavy risks. Discipline is very important, right? Now, one more important thing. We had a hammer formed here after a correction, but this happened after a big gap down. So, I suggest you to ignore these type of patterns formed after these type of gaps. Candles shows good sentiments when they are formed as a series. I think you have understood. Okay, the final example. In this swing, near 61.8%, a perfect hammer is formed. Moreover, it very much respected the level. So, we can enter in these like trades with so much confidence. The entry here, stop loss few pips below the low, way to exit, target is purely according to your confidence and your experience. This Fyers is all about the bullish reversal single candlestick formations. In the next video, we will see bearish reversal candlestick formations too. We will see their psychology and their trading rules too. Until then, have a happy, safe and profitable trading. Jai Hind.